Greetings. In this video, we will be discussing Amazon Author Central. All right. Author Central is a free marketing tool that you can use to promote yourself, have a bio page for yourself, a profile photo, and have an organized page for all your books to be listed for your listeners and your readers to easily see every title you've ever published and easily connect with you, easily follow what you got going on. All right. So again, Amazon Author Central. All right. So you can access Amazon Author Central at author.amazon.com, and you could either join for free or sign in if you have an Amazon account. If you publish your book through Kindle Direct Publishing, all right, you'll see your front page here. You go to marketing, right here in the top right corner, all right, and you'll see Author Central is featured right in this tab right here. So again, you can create and update your author page. So this is an author page that you can create for yourself that will automatically list all your books. Again, have a bio for yourself. You could recommend books to people. Let's get into it, all right? So you can choose a marketplace. You have the different countries. Let's go to Amazon.com. Let's click on Manage Author Page. This is what it will look like, all right, from the onset. When you first create your account, it's going to be submitted in order to be verified. So it'll take about 2 to 3 days in order for it to get verified. And you'll get an email showing you, hey, your Author Central page is approved. Feel free to check it out. For me, it took about 2 to 3 weeks, and I had to be back and forth with Amazon in order to, understand the situation and get that settled. But once it was settled, here we are. So even before it gets verified, you can go to your profile and again, put your profile photo and put your biographies, all right? So I was able to put my photo even before my page got verified. And we see here, it's in English, French, Spanish. I put it in 3 different languages. You can add a bio in a new language. Has different languages to choose from. If you got listeners and readers all over the world, that's a very useful tool. So let's look at this. Let's go back to the home page, all right? So we see welcome, author page. You can go. We can check that out in a second. Different things that Amazon promotes. You can view all your books, sales rank, customer reviews. All right, let's go back to profile. Okay. You can manage blog feeds, photos, and videos. All right. It says here as of November 23rd, 2023, they are not displayed on author pages, and the blog feeds are not displayed either. So not sure why they would keep that up there. Right here, author page URL. All right. So this is only for the Amazon.com in America author page, right? But essentially, you can go type in whatever, header you want for the author page. So it's a custom URL that you could create and share with people. So like right here, I have Andrew Matthew. That's my own author name. That's my name. But you could put whatever name right here. You could put whatever name. If you have a name for your fan base, you have a nickname for them, you could put that name here. You could put your pen name here. You could put the name of one of your books, right? And it'll just be Amazon.com/author/ whatever name you choose. So I had already set this up, but before you set it up, it'll give you an option to just input whatever title you want in that section. So I'll put my name, Andrew Matthew, and again, we click it. Okay, it's gonna load up. All right. So we're gonna get back to this in a second. All right. So again, this is in the profile section. You have your photo, biographies. Let's go to books. So here is my bookshelf, 2 editions, has my Kindle and paperback version. All right. When you click on it, you can edit book details. Shows all the ISBN, all the information, right? You could add editorial reviews, add product descriptions. You could add from the author a note, right? Very interesting. Add from the author button above to get started. Very interesting. From the inside flap. Very interesting. From the back cover. About the author. And you can add that. That's very interesting. So all that information you can really just add and get even more personalized, outside of the additional manuscript that you have in your book. You can add further information. So that's very interesting to know. All right. So that's my books. All right. If you want to add another book, you just search your title, ISBN, or your author name. That's how you can add titles to your page. All right. Reports and marketing. So you could create recommendations for your readers. Show your Amazon followers after you reach 20 plus. See your sales rank once you start getting sales. Customer reviews. All right. So this is a great first step. Once you've first published your book, this is a great first step just to show your professionalism, show you're serious about your craft, serious about your endeavor, and really just easily promote to people, easily showcase to people. So let's go to the actual page. All right, author page. Let's go Amazon.com, and here we are. So this is how it look. I have your name. You can go to your about page, right? People can follow you, right? Your profile photo, your most popular book. People can check it out in Kindle. Easily purchased. Look, buy now with one click. They could just go here, see everything you got going on, learn a little bit about yourself, and then immediately go to purchase. So that's very, and people are buying things in today's time like they want it as smooth and simple as possible. It shows the book, shows the biography of the book, photos of the book, front, back, cover. Very efficient, very professional, very organized. And this is what your listeners and readers will look at. Show all your books, right? Again, you're about, all right? It's your biography. If they were in a different country, they will see it in the language native to their country. On the biggest marketplace currently in the world, Amazon, this is definitely a necessity, definitely a requirement, and it's easy to do. If you have a Kindle Direct publishing page, you can easily go to the marketing tab and set it up. Or even if you don't, you could join for free at author.amazon.com. Join for free. You can sign in with your Amazon account. All right. Help readers around the world discover your books. And why not? This is what we're here to do. It's an honor to be able to write and publish. It's just something fun. Put our writings together and really, showcase it in a grand manner. And this is an extra tool available to everybody to further promote your book in a very professional and organized way. All right. So today we were talking about Amazon Author Central. Take care.